Now, there are two ways to go about entering information into our database. The first way is to enter it here within the database, which of course we don't want to give our users the ability to do. So the other way is going to be to set up a form, which is what we're going to do next. But let's look at this way first. So we have a demo, our demo table. We go to the insert key, which gives us the ability to insert the information. And here we could choose different functions for it that relate to the database, but we're not going to touch that right now. But you do see we have our character limit. So let's go to the ID num, for example. If I try to type in 7 characters, it should come back with an error. It's also going to tell me that I'm missing data. So it did not like that. One row inserted, incorrect integer value for column lunches at row 1. So if we go see what we did there, just browse our database. There's one with a bigger ID number, nothing. It's not what we want. We're going to get rid of that. So you can hit browse and go in and view it. Go back to insert. So we're going to say that Dave, let me pick it on me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, has $32 and bought 5 lunches. So we hit go, and there you have it. It wrote the information into the database, which you will see this here in action soon. Go over to browse, and there's Dave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $32.05. Now, what happens? Remember, we made ID num the identification number. So what happens if I go back and try to make something else that ID? Will it work or won't it? Let's try to say it's Bob. Money is $22.02, and he's bought 10 lunches. Will this work? Error. There is an error, so this will not work. Duplicate entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for key primary. So we cannot do that. So we'd have to say, okay, Bob, you're number 7. And now we had no problem getting Bob into the database. And believe me when I say that this is real basic fundamental knowledge about how the database operates. It gets way more complicated than this, especially when we try to cross tables to tables. If we have time, we may try something with it. Next, we're going to begin to show you how to code the form to do the exact same thing, but from a website as opposed to having people log into the database itself.